Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm really excited because it is time for another Pusheen unboxing. This box is quite large, which is why I have it on the floor right now. It is their October, or what is it, fall box. Pusheen is a seasonal subscription, so you get 4 boxes a year. And I've been doing it since they launched. I have a whole playlist. I'll put it up in the cards and down below if you're curious on this subscription service. I generally like it. I know a couple months ago it was kind of like hit or miss, but we'll discuss that in another video. Let's just get started. So here's what the box looks like. It's like a minty zombie looking Pusheen. I don't know what's in it. I did open a quick glance of it, but I haven't actually looked. So the first product is a Pusheen dustpan. It's a cute item. I don't know how practical it would be. I do have a dustpan that is kind of this size, but it's from Target and it's like actually made to clean things, and I use it to clean my guinea pig cage. This has Pusheen at the bottom and the bristles are purple. It's cute. I like it. We'll see how it really performs later on though. So the artwork for this box is really cute. So it says here, this mini dustpan and brush set will wipe away small messes quickly and is easy to store. Okay, that's cool. Next thing we have, shake me before display to make me look special. Shake toys before display. So this is a Pusheen plushie. It looks like a candy corn. It says to shake it before putting it on display. Let's see. Why? Here, this mini candy corn plush is exclusive for Pusheen Box. But I don't understand why the packaging said to shake it. It doesn't move or anything. We're gonna move on to the next item, which is sticky notes. This is adorable. But funny enough, it's not on the actual thing of products. So this is a giant Pusheen sticky note thing. I hope they're not going to do that thing where certain people get different things, like in their subscription service, like some of the items are randomized. I don't like that. I like a set thing, like you're going to get this because you are a subscriber of the subscription box. I'm going to look that up later though. Every Pusheen box comes with a figure, like a exclusive vinyl figure. So this is Zombie Pusheen, looking really cute. It matches the outside of the box. Adorable. Next thing we have is a little pouch. Just kind of, yeah, so it's just like a pouch. I guess you put everything in there and then you like wrap it closed. It says seek your essentials on the go in this drawstring pouch. The pouch opens up flat for easy visibility. I don't like that. Because then you have to be careful with how much you're putting in when you're folding it back up in case it doesn't all fit. It's really cute though. It's a cute pattern. It's purple. It has a zipper inside. I can't even fold it back the way it came in. I don't really like that, especially because you only have Velcro on one part and the rest of it you pull the strings. I want something a little bit more secure if I'm keeping essentials with me, like a Pusheen little carry bag would have been cuter than that. It's adorable. We have like a Pusheen hoodie. It has the bat wings on the other side of it. This is a nice item. This makes up for all the other stuff. This character hoodie features Pusheen's ears on the hood and printed bat wings on the back side. Adorable. I love this. This is definitely a cute little thing. Oh, I see the face there. Adorable. Probably the best item so far in this kit. Moving on, we have Pusheen candy jar. So it has Pusheen eating some candy corn. Did I mention that I've never had candy corn? I think I mentioned that in my other video. I have still yet to try it, but I'm definitely going to before Halloween gets here, or on Halloween actually. So that's a cute item. I like it. I think it's like plasticky or acrylic. We'll find out when I open it up. Actually, let me see if it says. No. Store candy and everyday essentials in this cute jar. Cute. Next thing we have is also a nice large item. Oh my god. I almost just dropped this item. So this is a 16-ounce heat-changing ceramic mug. So with hot water, I guess, or hot coffee, it changes colors. It's a midnight meowgic, like midnight magic, midnight meowgic. Yeah, it is really cute. I like this. These types of items are so nice in comparison to whatever we just had. So let's go over this box really quick. So we had the exclusive hot vinyl great. I love it. We had the mini dustpan and brush. I just feel like the bristles look cheap. Like it doesn't look like it's going to clean well, but you never know. We have the mug that changes colors. That's amazing. I love that. We have the candy corn jar thing. Cute. We have the drawstring pouch. I didn't like that. I don't like how it opens like that. I mean, it makes sense, but then I would want more Velcro, less of a drawstring type of mechanism. Then we have the character hoodie. Amazing. And the mini candy corn plush, which is cute. I just didn't understand why the plastic that it came in said to shake before displaying. I don't know. But either way, this was a really cute box. I definitely enjoyed it. I think they gave us larger items this time around. Pusheen Box often sends out surveys after their boxes, so I do feel like they're listening to what people are saying. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, so the sticky notes are in the thing. That's the first thing. I don't know how I missed that. Jot down notes and reminders on the sticky notepad of Bat Pusheen. Okay, so it all makes sense now. But yeah, that's how I feel about this Pusheen box. Let me know what you think down below. Do you have Pusheen Box? Have you considered it? Do you have any other types of subscription services? Because sometimes they're definitely hit or miss, and they can be a little bit expensive. I almost got sucked into doing the Box subscription service, and then I realized might not be the best idea for me. Anyway, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time with another video.